Paano nga ba ang dapat gawin kung ang isa ay dumaranas ng trauma o dumanas ng matinding trauma? Ano ang pwede rin nating magawa sa taong iyon?
Do you have a gambling problem? To know more about PAGCOR's responsible gaming program, including its player exclusion program, visit www.pagcor.ph/regulatory/responsible.ph. A message of concern from the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation.
So, anong pwedeng gawin?
One of the first things is accept and recognize. Okay, so this is how you're feeling. And then say, I'm sad. I can see you're sad. I'm sorry you're sad. Okay? Affirm mo yung kanyang nararamdaman. Hindi yung, ikaw naman, move on ka na. Tagal-tagal na yan, move on. Hindi pwede yun. Ngayon na nag-e-express siya, bigyan natin ng hearing. Let's hear. It is important to be heard. Habang nagsasalita siya, okay, what do you want to say? Ano ang nararamdaman mo? Talk to me. There is no right or wrong. Remember, in a family, it is not a matter of right or wrong. This is family. Okay? Tsaka lalong-lalo na, if it is tapos na. Okay? Tapos na, nangyari na. Okay? Ngayon lang nag-e-express sa'yo. Siyempre, first of all, ngayon lang nag-e-express sa'yo kasi ngayon lang siya nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob. Tapos ngayon lang niya naiintindihan yung nangyayari sa kanya. Okay. Huwag mo yun sasabihin, don't suppress it. You cannot. I mean, we do. We usually minimize it or move on or grow up or we usually say those words not because of our kids, but it's because that's all we can take. It's about us. It's our incapacity to be able to deal with the situation. And it's good to say it.
So, saan manggagaling ang unang action? Sa mga magulang?
Both.
Pareho.
Both.
Kung hindi nagre-reach out yung bata, yung anak na adulto na rin,
Oo.
na alam na, dapat nga rin, aware, ano po, kami mga magulang.
Yeah,
Na-
pwedeng mag-umpisa
Oo.
ang mother and say, may nararamdaman ako. May nararamdaman ako. Andito lang ako, magsabi ka. Okay. Open the avenue, open the door, and what she was not able to say before, parang this time, you want to give that avenue. This is here. First is, we need to make our kids feel as safe as possible. So safe that they can tell us how they feel. Okay? But when they're already being unkind, you can tell them naman, that's already unkind. That's already unkind. I can deal with so much, but not you don't have to be unkind. Tell me in a kind way. Okay? Tayo rin, we have to be authentic.
Meron ba, Doc, pwedeng sabihin na 100% healed siya? Nagagamot nga ba talaga ang trauma?
Good luck. Sabi nung professor ko na mahirap eh. My professor is Gabor Mate, Dr. Gabor Mate. And it took him a while. He was dealing with infantile trauma, yung sa war. And he was in Budapest. And his mom, at 8 months old, I believe, had to give him to a stranger because he's Jewish siya, no? So, for his life, binigay siya ng mami niya sa kapitbahay. So, siyempre, nag-iiyak siya. Hindi na see his mom for a whole month. Kasi mamamatay. Hinahagad nga ang mga Jews. So, yung separation niya na yon sa nanay niya, hindi pa naman siya pwedeng eksplikahan. Imagine mo, kakapurit pa lang siya, no? But that one, sa experience niya, yung abandonment issue niya na yon, dinala niya yon hanggang 70 na siya. And then, yun ine-explain niya. So, at saka siya na nga ang professor ko. And yet, he came from a speaking engagement and then he came home. Tapos, hindi siya nasundo agad because malilate yung wife. Yun na, na-trigger na siya. Kasi nagkaroon na siya ng abandon. So, I don't know how to answer your question, but the process of healing, no? I am healing. The process of healing is actually a beautiful experience. It's a bittersweet. Alam mo na naghihilom ka. Alam mo na isa-isang pinapakita sa iyo ng Panginoon na ikaw is becoming whole again, no?
So, ang pinakamahalaga pala dyan, acknowledgement, ano? I-acknowledge talaga.
Talaga.
Wala kasing mahihil pag walang ganon.
Wala. Imposible. Kaya, so, eto yung sinabi nga ni na recognition, acknowledgement. That's very, very important. So, paano tayo makakatulong? Balik tayo doon. Recognition and acknowledgement is the best we can do. The best we can do as a family member, as a friend, dun sa ating kaibigan na nakaka-experience ng pighati because may trauma. Kasi hindi naman natin ma-identify, no? Kahit na ibigay ko sa iyo yung listahan, makikita mo yan. Kahit bigyan kita ng mga libro, mababasa mo yan. Magkakaroon ka ng head knowledge, magkakaroon ka ng, magre-resonate ka dun sa mga ibang experiences. Magkakaroon ka ng kaalaman, ika nga, ng mindfulness. Pero to heal, to help, bring the person to healing, talagang kailangan pag-aralan.
Di lalong mahirap po pala kung secretive yung tao. Ayaw magsabi nung nararamdaman. Or hindi nagsasalita at all.
Yun, oo, totoo yun. You know what's really amazing? Because I went through the course, no? So I went so deep into it na, alam mo, yung kahit na hindi pala nagsasalita, magsasalita. Once you develop the skill, kasi makaka-empathize. And then, aside from learning how to empathize, natatandaan mo ba yung movie na, ano na nga yung pangalan ng movie na yon, yung tahimik lang siya? Tapos, ang psychiatrist niya, si Robin Williams. Yung pala, ang tali-talino niya. Tagal nila. 1 year sila na quiet lang siya. All the while, every night, sinosolve niya yung problem. Siya pala yung nagsosolve, no? Kasi ganun siya katalino. Yun. Kahit natahimik siya, but you see the effect of being there, the effect of being quiet, the effect of just making you understand, making you feel safe with me. I'm not going to intrude. Ganun ang ginawa niyang system. Hindi siya nag-intrude. Just sit there. I'm here.
So, magaling pa rin na magaling tayo mag-obserba. You know?
Just be there. But that was keeping him safe. That kept him safe to the point na lumabas yung pagkatao niya. And then he became an MIT professor. Yeah.
Wow. So,
Yeah.
Doc, paalala sa ating mga kababayan,
Nasa
sa
atin.
pwedeng dumaranas o nakakaranas ng trauma o may trauma na nga. O sabi mo nga, lahat tayo may
Lahat
trauma.
tayo may trauma.
Para sa ating lahat.
We're first of all sa ating bahay. Sa ating bahay. Kung lalo na sa mga nanay, sa mga tatay, sa mga nakakatanda. Kung meron tayong bata sa bahay, no? Keep them emotionally safe. What does that mean, emotionally safe? When they are going through something, kung merong dinaranas, instead na, "Hay! Magsalita ka!" Yeah. Instead na i-push. Bigyan ng care and sabihin, kung gusto mo ng gusto mo ng kausapan, dito ako, ha?
Yun ang napakahalaga, no?
Yes.
Alam niyang mayroon palagi na naririyan para sa kanya.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Mga kaibigan, sumayin niyo si Dr. Alice Labaw, ang ating psychotherapist, psychiatrist, psychologist, 3-in-1 ang inyong Bantay OCW Foundation para po sa ating Bantay OCW program mula pa sa Canada. Si Dr. Labaw ng CARE, ang Compassionate Assistance for Resistant Experiences. Dr. Alice Labaw. Ito po ang inyong counseling portion mula sa Bantay OCW para po sa Inquirer.net at OFNmedia.net. Ako po si Susan K.